We've made things a little simpler. The Home tab is gone, but don't worry. Everything you used to do there is still here, just easier to access. Now you can start your campaign idea right from this preview area. Just tap it, and your campaign will be generated across every platform, all in one go. We've also added a bit more guidance to help you along the way. You'll now find goal selection right inside the Advertise tab. Here's how it works. Choose the goal you want to achieve, and we'll automatically show you which platforms can help you reach it. You'll see the ones where that goal is a primary objective first, followed by others that support it as a secondary goal. You can still manage all your connected accounts just like before. The only difference is that now everything related to setup and connections lives neatly under the Brand tab. That's where you'll find all your connected accounts, brand info, brand voice, and products. Everything you need to configure and manage your ads in one place. Simple, organized, and made to help you launch faster.